first one, you know, it's kind of a testimony at the same time, but at the same time, I'm preaching the gospel. It doesn't really have a term, it doesn't really have a title, but just listen to the bars for a second, and you'll understand like how much we need Christ.
Go ahead.
So just listen for a second. Here we go. Bleaker than Memphis, this pain to make you lose your senses. We've been in agony since the beginning of existence. Back in Genesis, man lost his innocence. Serpent backslapped him, then handed him the pestilence. And since then, God's burning desire is bringing man to restoration, favor, and righteousness. So the Son of Man came to complete this. Born in the barn, wrapped in mercy, grace, and meekness. Still he ain't come with peace but a sword. Peel back the flesh, you will see he was Lord of Lords. Now let me lay this down for you plain and basic. What the gospel is, listen close with the bass kick. See, we was headed on a highway to hell, but his promises and providence would not let him bail. He hung there, paid the price like a bondsman. Better yet, a scapegoat, giving us a breakthrough, cutting new covenant and way to escape through. No, you don't deserve it, but he still can remake you. Keep your filthy rags, you ain't gotta try to make do. Stick your finger in this, guaranteed you can taste truth. From the malice and the envy, all I need is Jesus. Keep the girls and the riches, like Pocket Big, lost some friends over faith. I burned a couple bridges. But I counted all this garbage. I laid my whole life down and let him just demolish. Peace of psalmist.
Come on,